Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Eagle Fang costume on the market, the Disguise Adult Eagle Fang Adult Costume. If you're a fan of the Cobra Kai series, this is the outfit you need to channel your inner karate master. Let's explore what makes this costume a must-have for any Halloween celebration or cosplay event. First up, let's talk about the design. This costume features an authentic Eagle Fang karate GI, meticulously crafted to capture the fierce spirit of the dojo. The fabric is 100% polyester, ensuring a lightweight and comfortable fit while you unleash your karate moves. It also comes with the classic red GI adorned with vibrant yellow trim, giving it that striking look straight from the show. Plus, it includes a screen-printed patch that adds to the authenticity. No one will doubt your Eagle Fang allegiance. Now, let's take a closer look at the fit. The Eagle Fang costume is designed for adults and is available in various sizes, ensuring that everyone can find their perfect match. Whether you're heading out for a night of trick or treating or hitting up a cosplay convention, this costume will have you looking sharp and ready to strike. The top, pants, and belt are all included, so you're set from head to toe without needing to shop for additional accessories. One of the best aspects of this costume is how versatile it is. It's not just for Halloween. You can wear it to themed parties, cosplay events, or even as a fun outfit for a karate class. Plus, the vibrant colors and recognizable design will definitely turn heads wherever you go. Taking care of this costume is a breeze, too. Simply hand wash it to keep it looking fresh. With a little TLC, you can ensure that your Eagle Fang costume remains in top condition for many events to come. In conclusion, the Disguise Adult Eagle Fang Adult Costume stands out as an amazing option for anyone looking to embody their favorite Cobra Kai character. With its authentic design, comfortable fit, and ease of care, it truly is the best Eagle Fang costume available. If you're ready to unleash your inner karate master, head over to the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, keep striking first and striking hard.